Good morning guys, welcome to May 22, 2023. Yeah, and happy birthday to all May celebrants. Today we're here at Cebu City. Medyo sunny lang gamay, but we've been experiencing rain in the past couple of days. Very strong rains, namang almost flood inducing rains. So wala, ingat-ingat lang. The rainy season is coming, no matter what we say about El Niño, but it is coming, and we also have to make our own preparations. It's basically like typhoon season na sa diba? Na ako ni typhoon gay padung na medyo kusog na typhoon. So although I don't know, projected na mga Batanes na namuigo, but it's gonna be like a super typhoon levels as well. So kuyaw ng bagyo ha, if it doesn't fizzle, if it doesn't so mana prepare lang, yeah, because it could bring a lot of rains and possible landslides. Kuan lang ana ba, and also disruption of schedules, like maguba ang ships are not allowed to travel, and so we'll see. So sea travel is also could be affected with any rainy season, even air travel. So prepare lang kita na mga contingencies when it comes to the rainy season. So itong ikuan na. And gahapon na ikuan so ito yung super cut na nabanggag barko sa Mactan Channel. It's like may video what a freak accident, I would say. Kuya, okay ba, can you imagine magbangga dagko kayo na they can see each other, but malagi lisod gud kaya ng usaya. I don't know how it's done on say system nila, like do they have like air traffic controllers or like sea traffic controllers? So ingat lang gid gyapon usahay may gali, hindi wagid kito na napuruha na bangga na to na yung mga pasahero na samad, no, still di ba kuyaw kaayo. So when I ride mga super cut, mura kong matug. I didn't realize also that in the safest quote unquote waters, diha na noon ang nai-aksidente. Di ba, na magsugat, magkuan, mga bangga. It's pretty interesting also. I don't know how the Marina i-address na how what's the one. I think nandiyan na sila yung rules it's like ang dagat's like a highway magidagod, pero manang I don't know lang. Ram gina investigation kinsang sala, but still it was like a cargo vessel, dako kayo ang inyong kontra gamay nga passenger vessel. So I don't know, they can't stop. Musa na problema na ba kanang they're traveling at a certain speed at sea. It's not the type of palos auto na i-brake them hunong kadayon. They can't, di mo na pwede. I don't know, di mo na possible ba sa barko. They can just possibly brake and stop ba. They can decelerate, pero I don't know kung ano nila. But I'm hoping na this kind of accidents will also remind our leaders na lang na it's something that probably preventable, or they must be clear with the rules na lang gidaan. So anyway, we're here at this Carrio. So normal na, I mean supposedly mo gina akong normal na ruta ha, but I rarely show you in the drives. Because I don't know, sometimes I take the quote unquote scenic route, but sa diri gid ang pinaka direkta. But Dali, say traffic man sa good diri. But yeah, it's close. So manang kuan na, I'm gonna go to mag laundry day na kuan kay yeah, daghan kay kog labhonon ginang nga basa na there were clothes na nabasa during the heavy rains because you know we're fixing our roof. Then mo na nagtuto, sus nagguba pa gid ang ref. Ano challenge sa hay ba na itong manabahaan na naibot ang mga appliances, so manag suda manang kuha lang anak. Hopefully mapaspas ang trabaho des balay kay sus Hunyo na raba, which is like a scary month yun tayo when it comes to rains. Congratulations day sa Park Lane okay, for their Park Lane Bohol Resort and Spa na anniversary. I was there last year, but, and then nindot sa gida Yatos Bohol. And if you're planning to go to locations like Anda, Parkland is like one of the best places to go. Manay kuha na to, daghan nagnindot na resort sa Anda. It's a nice town, especially kana mga sa Bohol, mga beach going mo na, pero kanang one yun na scuba diving. It's a scuba diving or snorkeling town in Bohol. It's been known since like 80s pa na, sikat naman ang Anda, especially sa mga taga Bohol. Pero mga even foreigners, daghan sa nagpariners noon na nanay mga balay diya sa Anda. Money traffic lang yun there is one Banilad Talamban traffic, but yeah, mana to agian na lang para or ay lang. I don't want to go on there dito ilayo kayo ya. So ano na yung kuan nanda BIR sa Kabantan. Traffic is quite heavy in these parts. Tingin kayo ganang moderate to heavy. But yeah, kuan naman work day, it's another Monday, and you know Monday mga tao sa bugat kiglawas Monday morning. But yeah, we're here, we're back, and we're ready to conquer the world. Anyway, one lang ko derita. Palaba lagi ta, laundry day. So this is the Talamban, going to Talamban, Banilad Talamban. Yeah, they were planning to have this one way lang na padung lang diri, northbound lang. Fortunately, I would say nawagi na yun. Fortunately gina kay sama na I don't know kung southbound ka, so maagi, di ba? Maagi mo ning one lane, I don't know, that's really wanda kayo ba? Weird na kayo. Pero wala akong wonder bitaw na kung mag BRT sila pa doon sa Talamban, nasa man naagi ang BRT, di ba? Magkuba ang schedule. Okay naman traffic dali. Mauna, kuha na. Diha sa Shell Mobility Country Club. Tapos mga cars services. Cebu Country Club. Kung ganahan ka golf, man ang place to be sa. Lift and contour. Catriona Gray. Bello. So wala, grabe na nag-traffic going to Talamban because you know they have mga eskwelahan and it's a school day still. We're actually in May. Last week na tayo in May and still it's a school day for many students out there. So hopefully mana, I don't know, sa una bakasyon man eh. So do you agree that the vacation should be during the rainy season? Well, it didn't matter in the past. I mean, like in the past 2-3 years, because it was the pandemic. But now that it's back to normal, is it really nice to schedule the children's vacation in June to August? Supposedly it was March to May, di ba? So mana, what? Interesting lang, interesting. Ato agion lang ang Talamban para makita nato ano nga end our trip and rapid pagnaog. So yeah, so this is the Banilad Talamban flyover going to USC Talamban, and parang na to, it's yeah, we're going to be there, one of the best universities in the Philippines, the USC, University of San Carlos. Probably, I think the oldest or second oldest school or university in the Philippines or in Asia manggali. So not really good. So mana ni dire ang Banilad Talamban area. Banilad Quiapo ni, but it's going towards Talamban. But this is Cebu City. There's a Banilad Cebu City and Banilad Mandaue City. So anyway, we're here and I'd like to thank you for watching. May mga restaurants din na wala na kung explore, to be honest, and I want to explore them soon. Diba? Anak ko balik rin mo suroy. Gatong tilawan ang mga pagkaon rin napita. And I'll be doing it soon. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope to see you in sa susunod na mga biyahe. So let's finish our trip diri sa Bright Academy. Diba? Bye.